Good morning, Forex fam. Welcome back to another video. Dre, the Forex King, coming back at you with another one. Again, very quickly, if you're new to my videos, you know that, well, if you're new to my videos, you won't know, but right now, as you see, I don't have any thumbnails, so I don't have any fancy thumbnails, no clickbait titles, nothing crazy, anything of the sort, because my mission for the next few videos I'm going to be putting out is to make sure I put out good, solid, authentic content that brings value to your trading journey. So right into it. For those who have watched previous videos of mine, man, you see what's going on. We are in a phenomenal trade right now. Everything is looking absolutely phenomenal right now. Right now, we're killing the market. We're in a great position. You see where the market, you see what the market is doing. Uh, we're in a good spot. Good spot. Um, this is great. Let's see. So while I'm waiting for the trade to finish running, so if you didn't see my summary video for June that I posted a little while ago, um, everything was looking good. So I'll admit, after I ended the video that I posted with my June summary, the market was right here, right? Um, I saw what's going on. Then I saw this bullish candle shoot up, and I'll admit my eyes got happy. I know it was 3 o'clock in the morning during the Euro session, and I saw this candle shoot up, and I got happy. So I jumped in. I could not resist myself. I'll admit. So I jumped in. Initially, I was up. I mean, I was up probably like $20. Doing very good, and then it hit this purple level, then dropped down on me. Then it dropped down. Then I held on, and then it got to the point where I was like, all right, man, it's late. I'm tired, and I know I was gonna get up for the U.S. session, so I got out on this red candle right here. So I initially started July on a losing type mentality, but it didn't phase me except because I said, all right, I'm going to go to sleep, I'm going to wake up, and then I'm going to start afresh. The loss is the loss is the loss is the loss, and we're good to go. And we're good to go right now. Made that money back and then some. And so right now I'm in position where I can scale the account. So what I'm trying to do is I don't want to mess up where I'm at now. While the trade is running well, I want to make sure by the end of my trading session today, I stay above 5,500. That is the sole goal and mission for me right now. While I stall, so when I lost last night briefly, I lost $35. So as you can see with this trade, um, I not only made that back, I made that back 2 times over. You dig? So we're in a good spot. Um, we're clearly in a bull run right now. The bulls are running the market right now. So right now I'm just managing the trade. But great day to great trade to start the day. 9:55 in the morning. Everything's looking good. So just to manage the trade and not mess this up, because I want to make sure. Let's see what this trade does. But I should be responsible enough to not let this thing retrace too far back against me, where I'm out of 5,500. Now, as I'm saying all of this, I'm saying this during a bearish candle. But based on my strategy and what's been happening, we'll see what happens. But the mission is to not be stupid. I want to trade this, scale this account up, and then continue to do what we need to do. But I don't know. So as I talk about, we get a bearish candle like this, right? Way to go, market. So this is what the market does. This is what the market does. Oh boy. Real life emotions. So this is what I'm talking about. Bring you real, authentic content that's genuine, and you see me react for real. So 57. Honestly, this is kind of expected though, just because of all these candles that went up. So all these bullish candles, you kind of expect the bears to come in at some point in time to try to obviously disrupt the market. The thing about that is, I'm not convinced that this run is over yet. So I'm going to stay in this trade and hold on just a little bit. Now, I talked a lot of trash not even 30 seconds ago, but at the same time, I want to see what this market does. And that's as you guys have watched my videos, and for those who haven't, my videos will typically go the length of me watching the closure of candles, because I like to make final decisions based on what the market confirms it's doing. So I'll wait 5 minutes, 1 or 2 candles, because I'm trading on the 5 minute chart before I make a final decision. So we got 2 more minutes. 58. Let's see what happens. In any token, still a good event. I'm not gonna let it kill my vibe. Again, we're in a absolutely amazing trade. The market moved incredibly in my favor. Um, I'm pretty confident it's hitting a level that I'm sure that is pretty strong and powerful. Let me see. Okay, that's not that bad. So it's above this level, which is good. I'm expecting some market rejection once the daily hits this level. Now, whether I'm going to be in a trade during that time, I have no idea. We'll see. This is the 15-minute candle. 5. Whoa, what a gap down. Why did the market gap down like that? Did you see this gap down? That is a huge gap down. Let's see how high this market goes. This is a major gap down. Based on that, now I'm very intrigued to see what happens. I won't get greedy, but you guys saw exactly what I did just now. For the market to gap down like that, that is crazy. I'll admit, I kind of want to get back to my 5,500. That's why I'm holding so hard. That's why I'm holding so long. But if we keep in a bullish market, in a bullish candle, I'll try to weather the storm just a little bit. But I'm a little nervous, to be honest. We'll see. You guys are rocking with me. There's no. Sometimes I don't always want to have no silence filler. I'm just as curious as to what's going to happen as you guys. Um, Obviously, I'm lost in thought too. I have a lot of thoughts in my head too, and I'm just watching to see what happens. Because in most circumstances, when the U.S. study gaps down, it 9 times out of 10 will go the other direction. So gap down, it usually means it's gonna go up. Not all the time, but pretty often. Um, but I've never traded such a large gap down before, so it's like, okay, how do I manage myself during this gap down, during this trade? So now it's for me, and again, real life emotions. I'm managing my emotions. I am managing my greed. I'm managing my personal desires, and I'm watching to see what the market does before I make my final decision. Okay. Now I know that the market would always retest gaps, so I expect the market at some point to hit this gap. I don't know when. I don't know how, but I also want to be careful. Okay, that's promising. That's promising. You guys are watching me live. Like, well, live as the recording of this video. I'll admit I'm a nervous wreck. So that's why I'm not talking no silence fillers right now. I'm completely in my thoughts right now, trying to manage this trade, make sure I manage the trade, I leave with the outcome that I want, but also, man, I take advantage of the opportunity and what the market's presenting itself. This is also an opportunity of FOMO too, fear of missing out. Oh, what am I going to miss out? Did I close out too early? What would have happened? So I'm literally battling all those thoughts right now. You guys are seeing it live. Well, again, as of the recording of this channel. So because the US 30 is a volatile monster, yeah, I got to be nails. I'm expecting this gap to be retested soon. I just don't want to be caught vulnerable when that happens. 2 more minutes. We're in a good spot for now. If this kind of closes above this, if it does, I'm staying. If it hovers around here or gets close to my 55, I'm getting out. That's it. I'm not even gonna play. So, great day. Great day. Great day, great day, great day, great day. I'm not even gonna play. So you guys saw it. We're not gonna play one bit. So, mission complete. Great. I mean, look at this. Mission complete, bro. Mission complete. 35. You guys saw it on the video. I got as high as what? I think 117. I think, right? I don't remember. You guys will probably challenge me or uh, 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 confirm, right? But lost a little bit 35. I basically triple 70, double, triple that. I hit my goal. The goal is to get up to 55. Boom. So we're good. Yeah, so I'm literally just gonna go submit a ticket to it may go up. Honestly, I want to scale the account. And I just know it's gonna it don't matter. Like, great job. Get in, get out. I'm gonna go submit my ticket to scale the account and then continue to get back into the game and continue to just trade and be that monster that I know that I am. But thank you for following me. I didn't fold. I managed the trade well, and that was my biggest thing. Make sure I manage this trade well. Don't mess up. Um, I'm gonna be very patient. I know once I submit a ticket to scale up, I can't trade for a day or two or until they adjust the account. So depending on how fast they do it, I may or may not be able to trade, but we'll see. But again, I've scaled up before. I think I've shown in the past. I have, I've shown this account 25K. So let's pull it up. See the account up. Well, the account balance now is 24, but see, at one point it was at 25,000. So I say that to say I know that they scale pretty quickly. See, now you have elements of FOMO, but I'm not getting into the account. My mission was complete. So take the wishing, take the goal, take the victory. Let me continue my thought, bro. So I know that scaling is pretty quick and efficient with them. They don't play, they don't take time. This is why I like the prop from them thus far. And that's it for this video. But man, look at that. To be able to get into the market, you saw when I started the video, man, it's at 10, 11 a.m. in the market, quick. Man, this was a really solid day. Here, FOMO. You see FOMO kicking in. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret. I'm going back in. I'm going back in. I'm going back in. I'm going back in. Guys, see what's happening. Man, let's take advantage of this money. Let's go. Close above this, staying in it. I'm not gonna play it. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh man, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. But let's not get too excited yet, cause nothing guaranteed till we close this trade, right? So let's monitor this trade. Let's see what happens. But again, I'm hesitant just because I know what happens with gaps. They're going to retest this gap at some point in time. I know it, and I just don't want to be around when it happens. Let me be out of the trade. Let me have my wins. They can retest it whenever they want to. But really good, bro. Really good. Mm. This video might go long. Nah, it's not. I'm probably going to end it after this candle. But great stuff. Great stuff. Great stuff. Great stuff. All right. So I'll end the video now. But if you haven't traded, be careful. If you're in a trade, be careful. Manage the trade. Be disciplined. Be patient. But man, you guys have a great day. And as I always say, the market don't care about you. You care about you. All right. I'm just gonna manage this trade, and then I'll keep you guys updated. Forex King out.